Hello, let me show you how you can set up custom keyboard theme on your OPPO A5. So first of all, you have to open web browser or anything. You just simply have to get a keyboard on your screen like that. And now click on this setting button over here and go to theme. And now here is the My Themes and click on this plus and you can select photos from your gallery for your theme to keyboard. And now you can pinch to scale, drag to move. So let's take like that, for example, and click next. Also, you can adjust brightness of this keyboard. So let's take like 70%, for example, and now click done. Also, you can enable or disable key borders over here and click apply. So let's check how it looks like. This is my custom keyboard. So that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe to this channel.